The 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator is a sleek power cruiser that was first introduced in the mid-80s and has been reinvented for a whole new generation. Its low seat height invites riders into the cockpit, and once underway, the torquey engine and light-handling chassis should provide a smooth and comfortable ride. The base model Eliminator can be purchased with two colors and can be equipped with or without ABS. The base MSRP without ABS is $6,649, and adding ABS increases the MSRP to $6,949 for either the Pearl Robotic White or the Pearl Storm Gray. The SE model is only available with ABS and adds a headlight cowl, fork boots, a USB-C outlet, a two-pattern seat, and a model-specific candy steel furnace orange ebony color, which raises the MSRP to $7,249. Let's take a quick look at the specs. The 451cc parallel twin engine features a 180-degree crank producing 52 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 31.7 foot-pounds of torque at 7,500 RPM. It is also equipped with a 6-speed transmission featuring an assist and slipper clutch, which creates a light feel at the lever. Up front is a non-adjustable 41mm fork with 4.7 inches of travel and a 310mm disc, along with a 130/70/18 tire. In the rear, we have dual rear shocks with preload adjustability and 3.5 inches of travel. It also has a 220mm disc with a 150/80/16 tire. With a 28.9-inch seat height, a wheelbase of 59.8 inches, a total fuel capacity of 3.7 gallons, and a curb weight of 388 pounds, it also features a round LCD instrument panel displaying key functions and Bluetooth connectivity with the Rideology app to enhance your rides. Now that we have learned the specs, the 2024 Kawasaki Eliminator seems to deliver a lot in a lightweight and fun package. The only thing left to do is take it for a ride. Don't forget to subscribe so you can share the ride with us. Stay safe and enjoy the ride.